Welcome to another episode of Gadget Light. So, this is a Madia AC, a sub brand of Carrier company which I have purchased around 3 years ago. And today I'll be doing a long term review of this Madia 1.5 ton AC. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Previously, I have made the video on Madia inverter AC where I have shown the installation and given the full review of this AC. You can check out on the cards and description box below. So people asked for my long-term review about this AC, and here I am before you with all your questions and answers. I have purchased this 3-star inverter AC for rupees 26,000 in Flipkart sale, and currently it has been priced at 28,990 and it's on sale right now. Remember, the price can be fluctuate. It's been 3 years with Madia inverter AC and doesn't feel like, as I have no complaint with my Madia AC, although I have treated it very harshly and badly. I have done things that shouldn't be done with inverter AC, like install in a room with direct sun rays. 12 pm to 4 pm my room comes in a contact with direct rays from sun. Outdoor unit placed on open area with direct sun rays. Here you can see there's no cover on it on the outdoor unit as is get direct sun rays. Used in a room of 200 square feet as 150 square feet maximum for this AC, and my room is quite big for 1.5 ton AC. No service done at all from date of purchase. Using without stabilizer, although you can use it. However, I have added insulation rubber tube on both these copper pipes, that because I wasn't happy with the cooling and Madia technician installation. It really helps to boost the cooling of the AC, and it just cost me like 300 only from Amazon. Let me tell you about Madia. They are manufacturing AC from 1960 for both personal and commercial use. Although Madia is a Chinese brand, but in India it has tied up with Carrier, which is a renowned brand, and the company giving you a 10-year warranty on a compressor. All their ACs are manufactured in India in Haryana. Carrier is providing support and servicing for Madia AC, and I am very much happy with Carrier service, as I have a 1-ton window AC of Carrier, which sadly has completed its journey. I have this AC from 13 years, and last year only Carrier technician has done the servicing of this AC and refilled the gas, but now again its gas has been leaked. So I won't be continue using it. I'll be replacing it with another Madia AC, and Carrier's servicing prices is quite low as compared to other brands. I have already told you about the bad environment condition of my room where I use this AC, and let me add on it, my room has 2 door like glasses. In afternoon when the sun is right above my room, the room gets heated so much because of window that it isn't easy to stay here, and the room temperature reaches to 35 to 40 degree. Madia inverter AC does take time like 10 to 15 minutes, and after that it's cool it down very well. It's make your room comfortable quite well. While at night in sleep mode, it makes your body shiver with the coldness that you run for a blanket on a AC temperature of 25 degree. So if it works with my room in such harsh condition, then it will do wonders in your rooms. In 3 years, I haven't faced any problem with my Madia inverter AC at all, like water leakage, gas leakage, AC stop working, etc. However, now it takes much more time to cool the room or blow out the cold air, but that's still okay. I don't use stabilizers, so in low voltage it gets stopped working. That also quite understandable. Other than that, I have no complaint with my AC and quite happy with my purchase. Let me show you the indoor noise level of this AC, which is still quite low, and you will not even notice it in your room. It's only get double up when you switch to turbo mode. Now come to the noise level of outdoor unit. It isn't noisy even after 3 years. Lots of people ask me about the vertical and horizontal swing. So I would say both of them are present in this inverter AC. Let me show you the demonstration of it. There are basically two options, whether you can set the swing direction according to your liking while pressing the button continuously like I'm showing you right now, or else long press the button for automatic swing. And same goes for horizontal swing. The remote has been completely changed, although the feature remains same. Talk about electricity bill, then let me tell you, it's a 5-star inverter AC. Although it's given 3-star because in 2018 Indian government has raised the standard of star rating. So that's why it received 3-star after the revision. For me, it saved plenty of money as it takes 5 units in 10 hours and my electricity bill is like around 3000 to 4000 only. That's why I only recommend inverter AC. As you can see, I didn't incur single money on its services or its maintenance and save lots of money in electricity bills. In 3 years, I haven't incurred any major problem with my AC. So if you're looking to buy this in budget segment, then it will be a great deal. And if you are confused between Flipkart Marquee AC and Midea AC, both are equally good, just that Midea AC will be a better choice because of Carrier, as you will get reliable and quick after sales service from Carrier. One thing more is that Madia gives 10-year warranty on the compressor while Mark-U gives you only 5 years of warranty on compressor. Now you can do the math. That's it. I hope I have given all the answer to your question. If there is anything you want to know, comment it down below. Also do check out the description box for Madia AC links and its components. Don't forget to like and subscribe us.